Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Lethbridge, Alberta. Located in the southern part of the province, near the Oldman River, it sits in a region of rolling prairies with coulees or deep river valleys that shape the land. Lethbridge is the largest city in southern Alberta and serves as a hub for surrounding communities. Lethbridge began in the late 1800s as a coal mining settlement. It was named Lethbridge after William Lethbridge, who was a major investor in the Northwestern Coal and Navigation Company. Today, Lethbridge is known for its strong education and health services, and it is home to the University of Lethbridge and Lethbridge College. The city has a mix of industries including agriculture, trade, and research.
Thank you very much.
One of its most famous landmarks is the high-level bridge built in the early 20th century, which crosses the Oldman River and remains the longest and highest steel trestle bridge of its kind in the world. It continues to grow while staying close to its history as a coal town on the prairie. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Lethbridge, Alberta.